Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and I am so excited to be here with you today because I'm going to share with you two exciting updates Facebook made to fan pages that will help you get more engagement, more leads, reps, and customers for your business with ease. But before we get into those updates, I want you to do two quick things. Number one, I want you to subscribe to my fan page. There are two ways that you can do this. One, you can look in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen and you'll see a subscribe button. Click on that subscribe button and you will be automatically subscribed to my YouTube channel. You can also type in up in the search bar drlisamthompson.com/subscribe. I create content on almost a daily basis, and I don't want you to miss a thing. So let's before I forget, make sure you stay with me till the end of this video because I have a very special training to give you that can help you get your first 1,000 Facebook fans fast. So let's get to the training right now. So what Facebook did is if you're planning to do any type of paid advertising, you want to be using Facebook fan page. And what I love about Facebook and with paid advertising is that you can start very small and get great results. But there are other things you can do as you're building your audience on Facebook, on your fan page that can give you that extra engagement. Now, the key to marketing online is following a very simple formula. You need to build an audience and you need to engage your audience before you can sell to your audience. So Facebook advertising allows you to build that audience and a targeted audience very, very quickly. Now, if you're somebody that is building your home business on a part-time basis and you don't have the time to sit and prospect for hours on end in Facebook groups, this is going to be very helpful for you. What Facebook has now done is if you look right down here, it says info and ads. If you click on this, on any fan page, they're always going to have info and ads. When you click on it, you're going to see what type of paid ads that fan page is running. This is great for home business owners because you can literally look at the leaders in your niche and you can find out what ads they are running and you can get ideas of what is successful. You can compress your time and accelerate your learning curve. Let's look at a couple examples here. I'm not running any ads on my fan page at the moment, but what you can do, I'm going to show you two of my very good friends who are running ads that help me get ideas as to how to create ads to really get engagement with my audience. The first one is Todd and Lee Ray Getz. If you are not knowing who Todd and Leah are, they're absolutely amazing. They just came off having their first six-figure month, and they are really leveraging, they believe in automation and automated tools. And one of the things that they're doing now is really leveraging Facebook. So you can see here that, it's going to say active ads from Todd and Leah Ray. And so you can look down here and you can actually see the different types of ads. So this is a story engagement ad. Okay, so they're sharing their story of what they're doing and how they were able to build their business. Now we have one here, another type of ad. You can see all of the ads that they are running right now, okay, to build their audience. And this is a really great strategy to look for the top earners and find out what type of ads they're running. Not copy what they're doing word for word, but get an idea. Look at the nuances as to how they craft their ad. What I've done is, with some of my other leaders in the niches that I'm in, I'll actually sit down and physically write out the ad and look at it and study it. And what that does is it's helped me improve my ad copy. So on my Healthy Diabetic fan page here, I just got done running an ad where it costs me less than 2 cents per engagement. So it's very, very powerful that you can get good intel. Now I want to show you another good friend of mine, Antonio Thompson, who's also an amazing Facebook ad specialist. And you can see all of his ads that he is running. Now he runs a different set of ads. So you can get a good idea of what you can be doing to really craft ads that can really build an engaged following for you. So that's the first really big cool update from Facebook on the fan page. The other thing that Facebook has done now, which is really cool, is doing what is called a story. Now you've probably seen this on your personal profile. This looks a lot like with Snapchat stories, where you can put something up and it will stay up for about 24 hours and then it goes away. This is really effective on your fan page, where you can literally share behind the scenes things that you're doing with your business or being at live events. What this does is this will help engage your audience, and your audience can interact and respond with you. What's really cool, which you can't do on your personal profile, is under Insights. You can literally look here now, and you can click on stories and it will actually give you metrics. Now I don't have any insights available. I haven't done any stories in the last 2 weeks, but you will get information here as to how engaged your stories are. That's one of the reasons why I love using a Facebook fan page to build my business, because of the Insights tab here. This really gives you great data as to how your audience is responding to your content, so you can start creating content that your audience is going to consume. So if you're following the build your audience, engage your audience, and then sell to your audience, okay, you follow it in that format, you're going to have success. When you have the building and engaging in place first, selling is just a natural progression. Did you find this helpful today? If you did, I want you to leave a comment and share. And as promised, here's that Facebook training that I was telling you about, where you can right now learn how to get your first 1,000 Facebook fans on your fan page, and learn how to do it within the next 24 hours following this simple step process. 3 steps. All you have to do is you need to just register here. So if you click register now, what you can do is you can select your date, all right, and the time of day, put in your first name, best email address, and then you will have your spot secured so you can go and literally watch the training. And as a special gift, you can get a free guide right now, which will walk you through step by step how to set up your Facebook ad account and how to get that first ad set up and going so that you can start building an engaged following. Just think about it. What would it be like if you've got 1,000 engaged fans on your fan page interacting with you, and now you're getting leads, reps, and customers with ease? So all you have to do to sign up is just go up here to drlisamthompson.com/presentation. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you in the next video.